Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front portion of your hair aside and then take the remaining hairs and make a braid out of it nicely and make a bun out of it. And then again take the remaining hairs, make a braid, attach it, and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then make a bun out of it as shown in the video, attach it properly, and it's all done. For the next one, take the front section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the strings of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out until it will start looking like this. Now make a bun of our remaining hairs and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, make a ponytail and then divide your hairs into two parts and spread it very nicely and gently and then roll it all together and make a bun out of it, attach it, and it's done. For this one, take the front section of your hair aside and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then tie it both as it will look like this. Now take the hairs and then divide your hairs into two sections. Now take the smaller sections out of it and braid your hairs into the fishtail as it will start looking like this. Now attach it on the top and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, tie your hairs nicely with the help of the elastic and then take your hairs and pull it inside out by taking the smaller sections out of it and wrap it around as shown in the video. Now it will look like this and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs nicely and then divide it into three sections. Now take two sections and roll it all together nicely and then wrap it around the ponytail. Now take the remaining hairs and repeat the exact same process we have done earlier and it's all done. For the next one, take the smaller section from the remaining hairs and then start braiding your hairs by taking the smaller section out of it and add it to the braid as shown in the video. Keep doing it very nicely and gently until it will comes to the end. Now take the small string and then start doing it as shown in the video and it's all done. Thanks for watching.